Hey guys, I'm Mandy Ruffin. I am currently a junior here in the BSN program at Methodist. A little bit about myself. I grew up in Fremont, Nebraska, which is about 20 minutes from Omaha here. I married my husband Carlos about 11 years ago. We actually celebrate our 11-year anniversary on Friday. We have a 5-year-old sweet little boy named Maddox and a very sassy 2-year-old girl named Maya. They definitely keep me on my toes. Um, my husband was a firefighter in the Air Force, so that has moved us around the world a little bit. Right after we got married, we moved to Virginia for about 4 years. While we were in Virginia, he deployed for his second time, and I came home and got my EMT at Creighton. So after he got back, we PCS to Guam for about 3 years, and there I worked as an EMT in the community there. When my son was born in 2013, we decided to move back home to be closer to family, and now I've been able to concentrate on my career and pursue my degree in nursing. Two people that I actually admire and look up to are my parents. I couldn't pick just one. They both have been really instrumental in everything that I have done in my life. They have been together since they are sophomores in high school. They've been married for 40 years. They had a baby young, and having being young parents, you kind of struggle a little bit, but they have really been amazing role models and about family and relationships, and they've just always been there for me. Even at 33 years old, I can pick up the phone and call my parents with anything that I need. They have been so helpful in helping me with my kids and watching them while I pursue my nursing career and degree. I'm just really thankful for them, and they're just really important to me. And so I really look up to them and setting a good, model for what a marriage should look like, what a mom should be like, what a relationship is. And so that's why I chose them. I'm really looking forward to this semester and getting to know all of you guys. Good luck this semester, guys.